Correcting a booking in comparison between Sicon Works Order Processing and Sage 200 Manufacturing. So in Sage 200 Manufacturing, if you've booked in a works order, there is no way of undoing that. So if I go and book in a works order, so complete, quantity of 2, my batch numbers, and OK. I'm going to refresh my list manually. So to reverse what I've just done there, I would need to write off the stock that I've booked in manually. So I need to go to stock control, find the item, write off the quantity of 2. I would then need to add in all of the components manually. Again, going into stock control, add stock of every single component and the quantities required from the works order. If there was any sub-assemblies as well, we'd need to go and reverse all of that. And then we'd need to go and reverse all of the nominal postings as well. So we'd have to then get in touch with accounts to then go and reverse all of the nominal postings. In Sicon Works Order Processing, going to amend this works order. Let's go and book in the finished item. We've already got our batch numbers there, quantity of 2 getting booked in. You can see the locations. Let's go and save. So that's booked the quantity of 2 into stock. So we can see it's booked. The quantity in stock would have increased by 2. We can see the booking transaction down here. What we can do, we can now unbook that works order. So although we've got a quantity of 2 in stock of this item, if we then go and highlight this item and then select unbook, are you sure you want to unbook this item? Yes. So unbook process has been completed. So it's taken the 2 finished items out of stock and it's put the works order back to an issued stage. At that stage we can also unissue all of the components if we wish. Unissue more components, and it's going to make me select all of these batch numbers which we'd want it to do. Unbook the finished items. And we can see it's now gone back to unallocated and it's essentially a new works order. We could even go and delete the works order. So if we've created a works order for the wrong code and we've only found out after we've booked the item in, which does happen, or we've accidentally booked in the item off the wrong works order, again it happens quite often, we can go back to the stage of deleting the works order, unissuing the works order, or just simply unbooking the transactions. Nominal postings would have occurred itself, so it would have posted it back into work in progress. We can see there's no issued cost for this works order now.